pistol. It was good.
I'll tell you what's really good. A shotgun.
I'm using
So
a
it make-
scope.
So my pistol has a shotgun on the bottom of it.
What?
Yeah, the Lamat has a single shotgun round on the
Oh, what
bottom
the
of it.
hell?
Ah. Well, I need kills with this. And I'm certainly not going to be...
Okay, there's only one bounty here, team. One bounty.
Should we go east?
Yeah.
Excuse me while I level up.
And I think we need to be fairly aggressive on this. And I think we need to get some clues fast and head towards where the butcher's going to be.
He's got the cool shadowy character. Xavier. Oh,
Yeah, I don't know what the difference is, but compact ammo.
you're going to the toilet then, mate.
Just wanted to see what was in the door.
Shotgun ammo. Ammunition.
There's a clue right here.
Yeah. What the?
Sorry.
Okay, so northwest there's something. Kind of heading back the way we came, or we head east. Let's go east.
Look,
Slaughterhouse. The guy's called Butcher.
we heard shots there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that not where we came from?
I've not got range. Just to warn everyone. Oh, there's some dogs.
Whose fault is that, Aiden?
Yours. Don't worry, guys. I silently took out the dogs with my loud pistol so they didn't give us away.
Yeah, mate, you nailed it, thank you. It's a hive somewhere. There.
Hang on, let me engage with my shotgun. Oh,
I want to
Too late.
find my gun. Sorry.
Got a clue over this way.
Oh, hang on. Definitely
Aiden,
sounds
you're-
like we've got gunfight
Aiden, you-
happening.
Genuinely, you'll actually be awesome when it comes to the Butcher.
God, I was expecting that to kill those zombies in a row.
So you're telling me you've got a crap shotgun again?
No, this is good. It's got 5 rounds in it.
Shh.
Stop moving.
Where's
They're
that coming
definitely
from?
shooting.
Hang
Where's
on.
that coming from?
That was northwest, it sounded like.
I think that's the same direction
no.
we're going.
Yeah,
There's
okay,
one
good,
there
good.
to the east.
Happy?
These echoes,
Yes.
man.
Hang on, is that someone running up there?
Oh, for goodness sake, how can Butcher be banishing already?
Bet they had shotguns.
Bet they didn't. It's a
Butcher
hive.
that way.
Oh,
Shots northwest, sorry.
yeah.
330.
Oh, we're gonna get trapped between teams, yeah.
Does feel like it.
Hang on. Okay, let's see if anyone's following us. Oh, blimey.
If-
Ow.
Did that hurt you?
Yeah.
Well, don't get in the way of my gun.
I wasn't at you.
Hang on.
What an excuse.
Okay, so let's go Fuji. Okay, now, yeah, you're right. If I was them, I would now head west.
Probably north. Do you reckon
Him or
west?
him?
Well,
There's two of
them.
them.
So yeah, there'll be at least 2, if not 3. But they've only picked up 1 bounty.
Hmm.
Are you sure? So I see 2 bolts on the map.
Yeah, but no, so 1 is the remaining bounty. Only
Oh,
one's
okay.
been picked up. If you look top left, you'll see there's 1 red struck through
Ah.
and 1...
Got it. Yeah, that makes sense.
Here we
Yeah,
go.
we
There he is. Right, let's see where they go.
Gotta kill Weasley.
Yeah, we have got to kill Weasley, the little shit. Where are they gonna go?
North, north, north. Oh no!
Ah.
They're gonna go west. What's happened to
Have
that
they-
extraction? No, yeah.
They're not. They haven't actually really moved. They're faffing about at the moment.
They're thinking ammo, which route to take.
Yeah.
My sight gets progressively better the further southwest I look.
Okay.
I think they're gonna come towards us, you know.
I hope they do.
That'd be nice.
I'd like to have a scrap and win.
I can't wait for a long range engagement on an open map. I've got just the tool for it.
Well, have you
Yeah,
actually
but
got a shotgun?
They'll
he has
never,
actually.
they,
He has
they'll
actually
never,
got a shot.
they will never expect this.
Yeah, we
Good
won't
luck.
expect it. So. I mean, they're just faffing about at the moment. He has come out of the little area though.
Like one of them's floating in that sort of direction.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I'm nearly on top of one of them.
I think you are, mate. Just be careful because they'll use dark sight and they'll see you.
But will they
And then
expect it?
Or no, because then yes, of course they'll expect it. They're leaving the bounty area. You muggle.
You know, I'm not the biggest Harry Potter fan, so that doesn't mean much. Just trying to get eyes on. So we've got an incendiary there.